I am making a chicken parm with no carbs. I was diagnosed with celiac in 2002, and the first thing you have to do is cut out all gluten out of your diet. I had to figure out a way to make my favorite chicken parm gluten-free. However, the secret with a good chicken parm is that it's actually really easy to make. So first we're gonna start with some nice trimmed chicken breasts here, boneless, and what we're gonna do is pound them out using some wax paper. I'm gonna season these guys with salt and pepper. I'm gonna make these coated with almond flour. I'm gonna add the flavoring, about a half a teaspoon each of onion powder and garlic powder. Let's start to get this coated. I'm gonna make a huge mess. We're gonna do the sizzle test. So I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of almond flour in there, and you see it sizzling, that means it's ready to start frying. This is gonna be a beautiful chicken parm. I like to put a lot of cheese. Okay, here we go. We're gonna put this in the oven, 400 for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can put it in longer if you want to really get it nice and bubbling. We're just gonna let it continue to cook. Just a nice little touch. And this is your grain-free chicken parm.